Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Pike County in west central Georgia, northern Upson County in west central Georgia, north central Talbot County
First
in
tornado
west
warning of the
central
day.
Georgia, southwestern Lamar County in west central Georgia until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Spurwell Bluff State Park, 47 miles southwest of Thomaston, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Impact hazard. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Thomaston, Barnesville, Milner, Meonsville, Eldora, Sunset Village, Lincoln Park, The Rock, Atwater, Spurwell Bluff State Park, Crest, Pleasant Hill, Sunnyside, Hemesville, Piedmont, and Lipsey Springs. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant